Hello and welcome to another video at Lightning Ridge. Here's Greg and Mel. Greg's just doing a bit of maintenance on the Honda. Nothing serious when you've got a Honda 4. Not real good at flying this drone just yet, but I'm giving it a go. This is coming up. Have a bit of a look around Lightning Ridge. As I said, it's a much bigger town than I'd imagined. That's sort of the main street here that I'm going down into town. Just where that tower is, just in front, behind that tower is a bowling club, which is massive and very modern. We went there each night for dinner. This is sort of coming up more now. We're going to there's the bowling club there. They've got a few greens by the looks. Got to keep away from that tower. I think it's higher than what I'm up. Coming up here on the right, the street with a few cafes in it. We had breakfast down here one morning. That street down there. Yeah, that's sort of the main street. If you look down there in about the middle or the bottom, there's a big hardware store there. It sells everything. And here I am, now I'm heading back. Didn't go too far. As I said, I'm still learning, as you can see by the video. That's the main road out of town, that long straight road in the middle there. As you can see, the land's flat as out here. I think I'm only up about 80 metres here, or maybe 100 metres, not up that high. I'm only allowed to do 120, so I'm down below that, I think. That long straight road out of town. Nice cool weather out here at the moment. Mornings are down around 2 to 3 degrees probably, which warms up to a nice day. As you can see, where those skies are blue. Coming back to where we stayed at the Lightning Ridge Caravan, the Outback Caravan Park it was called, I think. Very good accommodation. I can recommend it to anyone who goes out there. Yeah, the boys wanted to stay here in this lovely little cottage there, but it wasn't available at the time. Thanks for watching. That was a good ride, good 2-day ride out to Lightning Ridge from Brisbane, stopping at Gundawindi overnight and heading off to Lightning Ridge via Moree, Walgett next day. We had to stop in Walgett for fuel. It was a lovely ride actually. We were there by about 3 o'clock in Lightning Ridge. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Bye.